work to completely contain the Saddle Ridge fire. Help is here for those who lost almost everything to the flames. CBS 2's Amy Johnson spoke with one of the fire victims.
We were completely surrounded by flames.
Christy Schleicher captured the flames on video last Thursday night as the Saddle Ridge fire came racing toward her Sylmar condo.
It was huge. It was a massive ball of fire. I cannot believe that people got out because it happened so fast.
Firefighters managed to save all of the units in the complex.
So how they saved our structure, kudos to every firefighter, every person that was here that day and who helped in any capacity. We really appreciate it.
But there was some damage. She showed us the worst of it.
The fire got into the house. What the fire didn't destroy, the smoke and the soot that it deposited, that it left behind did.
She took advantage of help being offered to anyone affected by the fire at the Los Angeles Assistance Center.
We have resources from local, state, county agencies, as well as nonprofits. And we've brought them all together here today to help our residents recover. Whether they've lost their home completely or they have some smoke damage, we're here to help them get cleaned up, recovered, and restored.
Schleicher spent 3 hours at the center being held at the Sylmar Recreation Center.
Man, I got a lot of answers. I got answers for questions I didn't even know I had. You know, you start talking to people who have experienced this before and they ask you things and I'm like, oh yeah, I didn't think about that.
The one-stop shop will be open 7 days a week through October 26th.
Oh, in an instant, your life changes.
It's not clear how long Schleicher and the others will be out of their homes, but she says she is grateful for good insurance and the help she received from the local assistance center. In Sylmar, Amy Johnson, CBS 2 News.